What's up guys, Roy here. So once again welcome back to Boya Universe, and as we have already noted this phone, so finally Realme has already launched its Realme XT, the first 64MP quad camera expert. So let's go ahead and talk about this device. So as you all know, there was a lot of excitement for this device from Realme because it is the first quad camera device setup, and let's talk about its specification. So it gives 64 megapixel of ultra clarity with flagship level sensor of camera. It runs Snapdragon 712 10 nanometer processor and VOOC 3.0 flash charge, which takes your battery from 0 to 52% in just 30 minutes. And the display is gorgeous, full HD plus super AMOLED display with Gorilla Glass 5. And as you know, we are getting artificial intelligence quad camera, ultra wide angle and with macro lens, and flagship specs with in-display fingerprint sensor, which unlocks your phone at 0.34 seconds, and this is instant unlock mode. Even dark mode is expected with stunning experience, so that you can use your phone and you can make your battery more efficient. And the design is gorgeous. It has 3D curved glass design which streaks the light effect, and it make you feel like a premium smartphone. So let's talk about the main thing, that is the quad camera. So it's the leap to 64 megapixel of quad camera era. So some of the main flagship level camera of 64 megapixel, especially quad camera. So the Realme XT have a feature that is flagship level of 64 megapixel quad camera. The Realme XT features a 64MP ultra high resolution sensor, the high resolution sensor on any smartphone. This is what Realme tells us. And its 3D and HDR technology let you take crystal clear photos under any kind of circumstances. But is this truth? We can check it later. And this also gave up to 4x resolution of unbeatable details for the zooming function. And the 64MP quad camera is able to take ultra detailed photos. The photo size is 4 times larger than that taken with 16MP camera. So you must be knowing that what is going on and how special this Realme XT is going to be. Talking about the design is great. It makes you feel like it is a premium phone, it is a flagship level phone. The Realme XT comes with a sharpened vivid of 66.4 inch display, which is full HD plus and super AMOLED. When it's super AMOLED, you are obviously getting a flagship specification of in-display fingerprint sensor, and that's great, and that's unlock the phone super fast. And this phone typically says that it is built to perform, and the fingerprint is super fast, and the Gorilla Glass and the processor Snapdragon 712, and this is great. So it's completely a fast package along with quad camera sensor of 64 megapixel. So it's going to be a camera level flagship, and this is really going to matter a lot in this Indian market. And it also supports VOOC flash charge, which is 3.0, and it charge your phone from 0 to 30% in just 30 minutes. So it's great, and there are a lot of specifications which we are underrating, but the cooling system that has been equipped in the Realme XT, this is also great. Now let's talk about the software. Talking about the software, it runs Android Pie out of the box along with its ColorOS 6 customized by Realme. So ColorOS 6 keeps the space inspired real design, and now it will be getting the update of Android 10 very sooner, and this helps you to do a lot of things more efficiently and effectively. So let's talk about the price point. Talking about the price, the Realme XT comes in 3 variants. The 4GB RAM and 64GB ROM starts in 15,999 rupees, and 6GB RAM and 64GB ROM starts at 16,999 rupees, and the 8GB RAM and 128GB ROM starts with 18,999 rupees. So looking at the specs and the 464MP quad camera expert specification, that's great. It's really going to be a flagship killer. Maybe I won't say that it is a flagship killer because we have not tested it yet, but the first impressions are great. So this is going to be a lot of hectic, and this is going to be a lot of excitement to test this Realme XT. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and please ask me any doubt or queries in the comment section, and please share this video and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon before you leave. So that's all for today.